Aries, and welcome to your daily video. I hope all of you are doing great today. Thank you for stopping in. So let's just see what's coming up here for you today, Aries. I hope all of you are doing amazing. Let's see what's coming up in the energies surrounding Aries, first house of the zodiac, during this Mercury retrograde and Pluto direct. Going into, it will be going into Aquarius pretty soon. It was in Aquarius and it went retrograde. Now it's going back to Aquarius. So let's see, what do we have here coming up for Aries? The Victory card. The Hero. Getting attention. Very proud of your, very proud of yourself for overcoming something. There is new fire, new sparks. Page of Wands. Excitement, looking forward to something. We have this strategy. Somebody's defending their position on the defensive, feeling like they have to stand their ground. Magician. Okay. This is about, like, to me, it's almost like PR. Like, controlling what people see, what people don't see. It's like a PR manager. And you're aware of this, like wisdom, that you know that this is the case. You're exposing it. Like, hey, there's like someone who's defending and then hiding. Someone around you is Emperor. You're the wise sage. Okay. Somebody's spinning the illusion. You want the world. You want a great achievement, a great success in something. Wow. For real, these came out together. I'm starting to like question, like, why is this always the case? Well, it's because you're the hermit. You've done enough self-discovery and you've done enough inner work that you know. Maybe you know BS when you see it. Seven of Fire, Seven of Wands. I'm defending my position. I'm hiding some information. Fire sign energy here. New fire on the cross to your success here. Something's being arranged. Someone's got ideas to arrange. Fix, solve, improve. And this person is coming up as Major Arcana Emperor. So they own their power. They know who they are. They're not really budging. And then we get Major Arcana Justice with Nine of Water. So you're coming into course correction, balance, more than balance, correction. And then we have here Nine of Cups. This makes you very happy. What's underlying? Okay, underlying is the Two of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Not having the information. Nobody told you. Excuse me. Or it's a tough decision to make. Mentally conflicted. The Devil, the wheel turns. Major Arcana for toxic situations. Overly controlled, restrictive. Something here changes. You don't know. There has been a change. Somebody is very worried about the ideas or the information being spread or discussed or talked about. Like I said, this seems like PR, like message control. Like, what are we showing? What do we want to show? And you're happy with the outcome, though. So Major Arcana for Magician, the Master, Illusionist. Okay, Tower, something that's a shock or a surprise. And what's the Magician? And A choice. Okay, we know there's a choice. Juggling a couple of things. Queen of Water. What is this Seven of Swords? What is this hidden information? Ten of Swords and Truth. Okay, so you will find this out. Something that is coming to an end because of the justice here. Because of this Emperor as well. And then we have the Ace of Swords. We have truth, clarity, new information. You want the world, which means like you want expansion. You want a lot more. You want a great achievement, a great success. You've done the work as the Hermit. So if you're currently in this energy of, you know, you read books or you discovered things and now you're showing people what you learned. You're being the light bearer. Who is this Emperor? King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. And there is an earth sign here with that energy. A Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, feminine. What are you exposing here? Okay, we've got Ace of Cups falling out. You're exposing powerful new feelings. What is the Tower about? Why is that there? An Empress, the Goddess, a mom, a matriarch. Very abundant energy. Someone who has a lot. Queen of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. So there could be a water sign. Somebody has manifested a lot. You're going to be very happy in this scenario. Chariot going forward. Someone's very overburdened. Okay. So how is this playing out for you, Aries? You are being the one to expose and shine the light on something that could have been hidden in the dark. I don't really see the moon or the sun here, so I don't really think it was hidden. I think it was avoided. It was like, let's just use that information, not talk about it, kind of go out the back door. What is the Emperor? Okay. What is the King of Wands, Queen of Earth? There's where the lie is. There's where the deception. The Seven of Swords. I did get Hierophant. So there could be someone who's married. Why is this a Seven of Swords? Page of Swords. Somebody's curious, asking questions, spying, keeping tabs. It did come out with the Devil, but... Okay. Bottom of the deck was Death. What is the Justice here about? Six of Coin to a Nine of Swords. Somebody's very worried about money, financial matters. It is going to balance out. There will be a gift given or something of value given. What is the Hermit here? Six of Air. Moving on. Things get easier. Avoiding conversations. What is the Tower for you, Aries, with the Empress? The Truth. Okay, so you get new information, clarity. What is this King of Wands doing with the Seven of Swords? What are they hiding? Five of Cups. Their guilt, their disappointment. They feel like they've lost something. So you're getting some benefit. What is this benefit that brings justice? Something you've been waiting for. And this Ace of Coin. Why are you Six of Air and Hermit? You've discovered something. The world. You want the world. You want expansion, growth, opportunities. Queen of Air. You may have told someone this. Maybe you... Bottom of the deck, now we have the Sun. Happiness, joy, success, positive energy, the light that shines. On the Death and the Lovers. There may have been a connection that someone had to someone else. It ended. Why is there a 5 of Cups? Why is this person guilty? The Lover's card. Okay. But it did come out with the Fool. So, breaking free, living in the moment. Why do you have an Ace of Cups with the Hermit? The Lover's card. Okay, so you feel very strongly about a connection to another person. Reconciliation. Queen of Air. You might be speaking your truth. What's this new coin you're getting here, Aries? There it is. I like this 10 of Pentacles and a Tower. You're not expecting that you're going to get this large amount. But it comes from someone's guilt, which is interesting. Queen of Wands. Something's raised up, resurrected. Somebody was defending on the defense. Earth sign energy. This is in the past. Defending. Or standing firm on their ground. Okay. Let's see what we're getting, Aries, here. There's a surprise, like you're not expecting it. But at the same time, it's like you're having to look at a situation from a different point of view. The Hierophant comes in with tradition, order, duty bound, a code, a decision that's made that's favorable. It can be marriage or vows. But this person is kind of like living in the moment, and there is a Lovers with an Earth sign feminine. Okay. Okay, we have Courthouse and Great Fortune. So some of you have a legal matter in your favor. This has to do with fair decisions, possibly windfalls. The Lover's card, okay. Reconciliation. An official person. You do have that Emperor. Something in someone's occupation. Oh, there was a false person. So there may have been someone that lied at a job. Distant horizons. Okay. Something far away. The Coffin card. This closes out a cycle. Case closed. Someone is concerned. And I did get the Thief with poverty. Okay, so somebody may have taken something from you. Your energy is discovery. Like, I'm going to look into this. I'm going to discover. I'm going to find out. Despair. Okay. Something is bad for someone's health, and there is like a courtship here. So it does kind of appear to me as though there's like a windfall of cash coming, or a windfall settlement coming for a person who, you Aries, where it could be a person around you is getting a new job, because we have the fire sign king, the earth sign woman, the emperor, but with a new beginning or taking a leap of faith, with a Hierophant and Lovers, which is like this person is taking a leap to reconcile, but there is an emperor. Maybe there's someone's husband. I hate to say, like, if someone's husband found out about something, because your energy is Queen of Air. You're being very straightforward and clear, stating facts. but you're also in this wise hermit where you have the wisdom and the knowledge. There's a truth about receiving a benefit or bringing someone into a benefit. It almost looks like a Ponzi scheme, I'd say, like a pyramid scheme, a Ponzi scheme. It's like somebody was reconciling. I don't see any pentacles in the environment though. They're not getting anything for it. They're getting maybe they're attracted to this person. They like their lifestyle. They have to take some kind of leap of faith though, some kind of risk. Okay, let's figure that one out. Let's see. Show us here for around Aries with the Lovers and the Fool. Okay, travel. Someone doesn't want to give up. There is someone here that rides in on the horse of victory, getting attention. And new fire. Travel through the air. Okay, it's coming up as an Emperor. So there could be an Aries even around this energy. What is the world that you're wanting? The King of Water, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. And this person has a choice. Water sign energy. What's your outcome here, Aries? The Devil and the Knight of Cups. Okay. Very persuasive. Okay, then defending against that, or fighting back, standing firm against this. And a King of Earth, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. You're the fire. There's a water energy in here and a major arcana for control or restrictions. Okay. Or like trying to get someone to do something where there's strings attached. Like if you do this, then you have to do this or that. Okay, you're in this discovery energy. Queen of Wands and Hermit. That's you. You're investigating, discovering. What is this outcome about here for Aries? Temperance, Lovers, travel. Be a Sagittarius around this energy. Somebody has a choice. What's the outcome here? Heavy burdens. New fire. Someone's anticipating, waiting, looking forward to what's, and then getting attention, but there is something on hold or on pause. Okay, again, it's like gonna work out very well. I feel because bottom of the deck is the Judgment, the divine reckoning, the calling, the day of karmic reckoning. You're gonna really like something here. Okay, let's see what we get, Aries, for the day. Being appreciated. Going on a journey. The healer of the ages, which is the miracle. The 5th chakra, Archangel Gabriel. A very important message. So we have some kind of miracle happening here. One door closes, many doors. Adjacent doors are opening. I don't think a door closes, although it does have a door closed there. A 7th chakra. This is the crown chakra activation, having ideas, spiritual awakenings. And what is the Magician and the Mirror? Somebody's putting something together. We have here a contract and 4th chakra, heart chakra activation. So you have something about a spiritual connection, but also something being put together in reality.
So this is your reading for the day, Aries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.